everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I will continue with the part 2 of the lighting design for this apartment. As you can see on my screen, I have create more rooms which are belong for different flats. Actually, we have 3 flats in this area, and I will start today to move to the second step, and the second step will be to add the furniture, like starting with windows and doors for each space, and then we move on with let's say in the in the kitchen we will add the fridge and all the appliances that we find in the kitchen. Then in the bathroom again, the bathtub, the sink and the toilet, and then in the bedroom we will add as well the bed and the sofa in the living, for example. So in this video I want to show you where you find all these elements, so to say, in Dialux, and add them in for your space and to create the space as close to the reality. For example, as you can see in the 3D, now everything is empty. And then in the part 3 I want also to add texture on the floor, to the floor, and as well to the walls, just to make it better the design. And finally, of course, we will add the lighting. But let's move on the windows. You can here click on this button, and then you have all objects. You have different type of windows. I will go for this one, the rectangular. I have already selected, and we will start on this part of the space. So we just use drag and drop. Now if you place it here, and then you can just scale it for example from the right to the left. You use scale button, and then you scaled the window. We will go on 3D. Of course, here will be the access to the balcony, so the window will be together with the door and will be onto the floor. So here on the sill height you just put 0, and then also the height, let's place 2 meters if we want to do it like that, and you can have it like this. So a window from the living which is connected to the balcony, as I don't think that we have also a door which is made of the glass. Here we have standard door, standard, and here are full door, but we can add just to show you how it looks, a door, and then you just add it here. You move it on the right, and then on 3D, and you see how it looks now. And here it's leading to the balcony. Of course, I would say we should rotate it 90 degrees. You have also this possibility to look better. And now check once again. Yeah, it looks like this. The door with a window which is leading from the living area or living room to the balcony. You close on 2D, and then you go on the we'll go on the next. We have another door here. You just drag and drop, and then you just move it on the right position. Again, check if it's what you want to have. Yeah, I think that's okay. To be open this way, and then we have one window here and another window here and one here. So we have another 3 windows. We will go with the same style as previously used. So you just drag and drop on the position and then click the button and you need to scale it this way. Come on. So once again, scale button until there. Got here, we have the window. We let 0.8 in this case. It looks like this. Next we have two small ones. You can choose also different style of window, but in this case I will just use the same one just to see how it looks. I will say in this case, being so small, I think I will just replace it. Maybe we can use this one. I think this will be more suitable, and we can say replace. I'll go just to the, and I will just delete it. Once again, I will just use this one. And also this one need to be scaled. They are quite close, small windows, but I think this one looks better. Yeah. So when we have the kitchen, it looks much better to have this kind of. And also you have the option that you can also, if it's there, you can copy and then paste at mouse position, and then you have it here. And maybe you need to move it left, right. This is almost similar size like the previous one. So yeah, I think it should be the same because it looks awkward if one is bigger than the other one. So here, I think, yeah, just need to reposition. So it looks like this. So here, in this way, you add the windows and doors for one space. In this case, we are talking about a living room. I hope that you got the point. That is not so difficult to do it, and how to add things. And here on the for example, where we have the appliance for the kitchen, you can do for the block. For example, the fridge, that's 2 meters, for example, distance, and then you can do a rectangular shape here just to symbolize. But we can try to find on the furniture and objects in Dialux to see if we have such things in Dialux where we can just copy paste. So if we go in home furniture, you see you have tables, a lot of cardboards, chairs, sorry, and sofa and beds. I would say let's take in this case I will take a table for our let's say 60 by 60. It's a little bit small one, and maybe we can take this one and just drag and drop. Let's see if I can do that from here. Yeah, just I think it's too big for this kitchen, to be honest, but in this way you can add the furniture. I think this is way too big, and maybe a small one which we can place it. I will just maybe move it here on the corner, something like that, and we can scale it as well, just to, it's a small kitchen actually. So here maybe, and we can put it one chair there and one here, so you can have 2 small chairs for this kitchen. Let's choose 2 standard chairs. Yeah, let's see what chairs. Office. Yeah, I think this one we can add. Ooh, it's quite big actually. So this is one chair. Yeah, this is not really a good chair, I guess, for the kitchen. Yeah, and then we can move it a little bit closer. So yeah, let's say that we can add it here. And then if you want to add the second one, we will do it like this, and then we just rotate. This is more an example what we can obtain. So yeah, here we have I set a small table and 2 chairs. I think I should find better chairs for the future. And then we can add as well. Let me finish. We can add also on the bedroom one bedroom. As I have seen, we can add easily bed. In this case, a big one, we can do it here. So we just drag and drop. Wow, that's really big bed. And we can rotate it like this, and then one corner. And here we go. So we add some furniture to the kitchen, and then a very big bed. I would say should be a smaller bed for this bedroom. Also, we can choose let's say, I would say this one should be bed too. This is too broad or a narrow one. We can add also a sofa, for example, in the living as sofa wide, for example. So I get you got a message of where you find all the furniture and how you can add them to the lighting design or to the space, and then of course you can continue with the lighting design. So if you like this video, if you find it interesting for you, please don't forget to give a like and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next part, stay tuned, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye bye.